Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video is an updated one to show you how to get the best Mech Arena promo codes in 2026. You're gonna be able to get tons of free A coins, credits, and keys using these Mech Arena promo codes. And it takes just a few minutes to do this, guys. I've made previous videos and they went down very well. They helped tons of people out. So I thought I'd create a new one and show you some brand new updated working codes. So make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like I said, I do create these quite often and I'm always searching for new and working Mech Arena promo codes. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the tutorial. As you can see, guys, you've got to use your mobile phone to obtain these Mech Arena promo codes. So just use your internet browser. And what you're going to want to do is head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So type it exactly how I've typed it here. Crash coupons. So pause the video, copy that down, guys. I recommend bookmarking this website as well because they do have tons of different codes on here. So use the search bar and search for Mech Arena. This is the promo codes page here. Apologies as well if you can hear my stomach rumbling. I've not had lunch yet and I'm absolutely starving hungry. So I'm going to record this video and then go and do that. Go and eat. So yeah, basically on this page, this is going to display some working Mech Arena promo codes. As I mentioned, you can get free keys, 100 of them. You can get 25,000 A coins for free and you can get 100,000 credits. So select the code you want. And I did this earlier and it takes about 5 minutes. And if you haven't seen my previous videos before, I'm going to talk you through the step of unlocking your Mech Arena promo code. It's super simple, guys. It takes just a few minutes of your time. So because these are limited codes, Crash Coupons only supplies one code per person. So make sure you unlock your code here, guys, by clicking this button. And you're going to be greeted by this code unlocker. This tells you how to basically get your Mech Arena promo code from Crash Coupons. You need to complete 2 of the tasks on this page that are completely free, and they're really easy things like application installs and answering surveys. So as you can see, guys, you're going to see a list of tasks. As you can see, free. So yeah, basically, guys, these are really easy things. This one is a survey. So if you choose to do a survey, you would tap on the survey offer and then just answer the questions and input some valid info. Very important you put in correct information because it does verify you as a real person. There's also ones like this where you just have to download this app and install it and run it for 30 seconds. So very easy tasks. You just need to follow the instructions for each of them. And once you complete 2 of them, it will send you back to Crash Coupons and your Mech Arena promo code will be fully revealed. So the full code will be shown in this box. You can go ahead, redeem it, and that is going to get you free A coins. But yeah, they do have other things as well, and they do actually add codes quite often. So make sure you go to Crash Coupons. And yeah, guys, these are the best promo codes for Mech Arena working in 2026. Make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on my next one.